everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financial. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to get link refer on Wise account. To get started, let's open Wise account. Make sure you have already downloaded Wise app on your device. Open it. Here you can see this interface. Here tap on a button as shown here. It will navigate you to this interface. Here click on the copy button in order to copy link. You have successfully copied. So in this way you can get link on your Wise account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.